Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how trading works in Rocket League, or more specifically, why you can't enable it anymore. What you can do instead to get those items, or to get items before we start. Let me make this clear. If we're trying to enable trading, it does not work. Epic Games removed play-to-player trading on December 5th, 2023. There is no option or setting to turn it back on. So in this video, I'll show you where the option used to be or what you can do to get the items in Rocket League. Let's get into it. First, open up your Rocket League. From the main menu, click on Garage. In the Garage, you'll see the several options. Click on Manage Inventory. This is your inventory. This is where you can all see your items. If you're looking for the trading option, it's not here. There is no player trading option anymore. Epic Games officially announced that trading was removed on December 5th, 2023. There is no way to enable it again. The best ways to get the items now that trading is gone is by going to your item shop, Rocket Pass, jobs, tournament rewards, and blueprints. Well, that's pretty much it. I know that's not what most of you wanted to hear, but hopefully this clears things up. If this video helped you, you make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.